Hello everybody, Teagan here with High Point Scientific. Thank you so much for tuning in to our 8th episode of What is in the Sky this month. This month is May, so I will be taking you through a beautiful tour of the night sky in May. So as always, stay tuned, buckle in, and let's see what's really out there. So as always, we're going to be taking a look at some beautiful and prominent deep sky objects that you might find in the night sky in the month of May. Next, we're going to take a look and see what the moon and the planets are up to. And we're also going to take a look at a beautiful and awesome celestial event happening on May 15th and May 16th, and that is a lunar eclipse. The penumbral phase of May's eclipse begins at 9:32 p.m. Eastern Time, but you may not even notice a difference until the partial phase begins nearly an hour later. Totality begins at 11:29 Eastern. The moon will be among the faint stars of the constellation Libra at that time, but look to the east and compare its color to the ruddy Antares in Scorpio. Totality ends at 12:53 a.m. Eastern Time, with the partial phase ending about an hour later. Finally, the end of the penumbral phase also signals the end of the eclipse itself at 2:50 in the morning Eastern. So witnessing a lunar eclipse in totality is really awesome because essentially you are watching three celestial bodies interact in real time. It puts things into perspective for a lot of us. The next object in our tour of the night sky in May is not an object at all, but rather another celestial event, the Eta Aquariid meteor shower. While best seen from the southern hemisphere, the Eta Aquariid meteor shower can produce 10 to 30 shooting stars in the early hours of May 5th. This year can be worth the effort as the waxing crescent moon will set early in the evening before. If you want to try your luck, look towards the east or the southwest just 2 hours before sunrise. As you look, be sure to enjoy the sight of Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn rising in the east. Okay, so we are going to stay within our solar system. Let's see what the moon and the planets are up to. Uranus is in conjunction with the sun on May 5th and therefore won't be visible this month, leaving Mercury as the only planet to be seen in the evening sky. It's visible towards the west-northwest after sunset, with the crescent moon appearing to its upper left on May 2nd. Be sure to catch Mercury while you can, as it will be gone by mid-month. May is the month of morning planetary close encounters. Mars and Neptune appear within the same binocular field of view from the 10th to the 27th, with the pair just 33 arc seconds apart on the 18th. Despite their proximity, the two planets will actually be in two different constellations, with Mars in Aquarius and Neptune just over the border of Pisces. Mars then hops into Pisces the next day and into the same binocular field of view as Jupiter. It will catch up to the giant planet on May 29th, with 35 arc seconds separating them. This is Jupiter's second conjunction of the month, as it will only be 37 arc seconds away from Venus on the 1st. So now it's time to leave our solar system and go check out our first deep sky object, a beautiful double star and one of the most prominent pair in the night sky. Mizar and Alcor, one of the most famous double stars in the night sky, they make up an easy target for naked eye observers. If you're familiar with the Big Dipper, then you'll have no problem locating this pair, as Mizar is the middle star in the handle of the Big Dipper itself. Look carefully, and you'll notice a tiny star beside it. That's Alcor. The next deep sky object on our tour is actually another double star, Alpha Canum Venaticorum, otherwise known as Cor Caroli. This is another easy double star for small telescopes. Its name means Charles's heart. This was given to the star in 1660 when King Charles II returned to England, as the star was said to shine exceptionally bright that evening. Like Mizar, Cor Caroli can be split with any telescope at low power. The primary appears white, about 2 or 3 times brighter than the pale gold secondary star. We have arrived to our last deep sky object on our tour in May, and it's Messier 101, the beautiful Pinwheel Galaxy. The Pinwheel Galaxy was discovered in 1781 and has since become a favorite with astrophotographers. It's located within the same 10 by 50 binocular field of view as Mizar and Alcor. A scope with an 8-inch aperture can show the pinwheel's bright core and its faint arms, but you'll need a light pollution filter to bring out any further details or exceptionally dark skies. The abundant hydrogen alpha regions within this galaxy make it a favorite among amateur astrophotographers who use a hydrogen alpha filter. This is a way to bring out nebula in a distant galaxy. Alright, so we thank you so much for tuning in to our tour of the night sky in May. As always, please let us know if you have any questions at all. Let us know in the comments, or feel free to reach out to us at highpointscientific.com, and our non-commissioned product advisors will be more than happy to assist you with any of your questions. Thank you so much, and clear skies.